welcome back to the channel. Working on the 359 today. Me and my brother Dave, we already went to Home Depot, got some parts. What we're doing today is we're going to try to tackle some of the sleeper and panels inside. As you can see, we got the cab pretty much put together on some of our past videos you've seen. We'll show you a little bit in here. All the interior is completely custom. We redid this truck from head to toe, interior wise. Still a lot on the exterior we got to do. But all these panels right here were custom made. Custom backing boards, all leather vinyl wrapped. Clean screws with nice washers around there to hold them all up. Big seats in here. So what we're doing today, like I said, is the sleeper. We got backing board. It's a foam insulator board. Also, we got a moisture barrier we're gonna wrap with. We're gonna spray this headliner here, which is all fiberglass. There's a little bit up top there that's still coming down. Clean that up a little bit and get this sleeper all put back together. So Dave's got the panels over there. You can see them. They're DOW backing boards, foam. Gonna be nice when it's together. Try to stop some of the rattle. This truck rattles so loud when you're going down to the road. So we're just gonna try to get it thrown back together, and still waiting for the panels though. Panels are coming. They'll be here soon. My grandpa's the one that's seaming them all together for us. So once we get this whole interior back together, it's gonna be nice. But we got to start and make sure that we get the moisture barrier down and cleaned up. So we'll go ahead and get tackled, start on this. Show you another example of how loud it could be in here. So going down the road, it could be quite annoying. So with this panel, put it in there, and it's a lot quieter. We still have to go around and put some self-tappers or something, try to keep these aluminum pieces together. The rivets are coming off, but hopefully this works. What kind of gun are you using there, Dave?
Milwaukee M12 quarter hex impact driver.
What about you, E?
Got the M18.
M18, is that like the hex head deal?
Yep. Yeah, then we got just some regular self-tappers.
Doing the job though, huh?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright, this board here, give me a camera, I'll show. This board's gonna be a little problem. We're gonna have to trim it a little bit because some reason there's this bracket. I don't know what it's to. So we're gonna have to cut out a little bit. Probably just cut around this bolt too. And then go in there pretty flat so we can get it in there.
Thinking?
It's going pretty good. Pretty easy, not too hard. Nice if I had someone helping me instead of videotaping me the whole time. So.
Alright, so Dave just wrapped up putting the backing board in. We got all of our makeshift supports holding it in so that liquid nail takes to the side of the aluminum. Dave had to come back here and wire up these lights. We had to cut them and stick them through the backing board so that way we still have access for when we put the interior all in. So we're going to let this sit for a few minutes, hopefully take, and then we're going to go ahead and start spraying this roof with bed liner to get it all sealed up and tightened in. So stay tuned. Alright guys, we just sprayed this all down. This is the stuff we're using. It's the Napa Max 8400 rubberized undercoating. I know we said we were going to use bed liner, but we've used this stuff before. Dave's used it. This stuff is super oily, super thick and heavy, so it's definitely going to help us fill up those pinholes and cracks that may be in that glass roof to begin with.
We also should have been using masks when we were doing it, but we forgot them at home, so we weren't, so we were just holding our breath and trying not to pass out.
Guys, always use masks.
Third, wait for that paint to harden and dry in the bunk before we try to throw this in.
What this is, just an added insulation wrap to try to keep the temperature in that cabin sleeper constant during this unpredictable Ohio weather.
So thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe.